What's up guys, AndySquid here, back for another video, and today I'm playing System Shock 2, so let's begin. New game. Easy, because I suck at life, I suck at everything. Easy. And start game.
Look at you, hacker.
What?
Pathetic creature of meat and bone, panting and sweating as you run through my
What?
corridors.
I...
How can you challenge a perfect, immortal machine?
What? Okay. I guess.
In 2072, a rogue artificial intelligence known as Shodan lost her mind. In her limitless imagination,
Okay.
Shodan saw herself as a goddess, destined to inherit the earth. That image was snuffed out by the hacker who created her.
Of course she's not a god. She's a hack. No, not a hacker. She's a computer system. Like, she's a system, not a god.
January 3rd
That's
is the day
stupid.
the magic happens. The Von Braun, the first starship in history capable of traveling at faster than light speed, will undertake her maiden voyage. This
Ooh.
incredible journey is the result of teamwork between the
Let's
UN
go to
and Protect
space.
and the incredible scientific minds of the newly relicensed Tri-Optimum Corporation. Imagine being able to travel to distant star systems in a period of weeks. It's all part of Tri-Op's commitment to the future. The Von Braun
That's
is
pretty
packed
cool.
with over 1.8 billion flight, scientific, and security systems, nearly all developed by Tri-Optimum and its wholly owned subsidiaries. Providing security for the Von Braun as she plows through the heavens will be the UNM Rickenbacker. At her helm will be no less than Captain William Bedford Diego himself.
Oh yeah.
The Battle of Boston Harbor during the Eastern States Police action. This incredible union of government and corporation is made possible by an intricate series of docking mechanisms that will allow the Rickenbacker to piggyback its way into jump space.
Okay.
Sleek, fast, revolutionary. Who knows what wonders await our crews in the bosom of the cosmos? All we do know is that it's a great day for mankind.
Yeah. Go, mankind. Wait, what? What? No. No. That's not what I asked. That's not what I asked for. I asked for a burger. A cheeseburger. Stupid computer. Seriously, what's wrong with me? I can never speak.
Recruitment facility. Please watch your step when leaving the train. The grav shafts at the end of the hall. Step into the grav shafts to proceed to the street level recruitment.
Okay. Yeah, I'm flying. Okay, let's go out here. Okay. Let's go in here.
Before you choose your career, you'll want to learn some basic abilities. First, you should go into the basic training center. When you're done with basic training, proceed to the advanced training area. If you've completed basic training, you're ready for the advanced. Here's where you make your choice, soldier.
Okay.
Here's where you enlist in one of the 3 branches of the military. Once you decide on your branch of service, there's no going back. The
Okay.
shuttle will take you to a UNN orbital space station where you'll receive a briefing regarding your
Yeah,
yearly
shut up.
postings. Good luck.
Thanks, but shut up. Okay, I'm gonna be a Navy. Okay. Space. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Mission Year 1. Okay, cool. Oh, hi, dude.
Welcome aboard the space station Chesapeake Bay, sailor.
Thank
It looks
you.
like you've picked up some standard weapon skills at basic on Coronado Island. Now
Yeah.
it's time for your tour of duty. Your tour will consist of 4 postings over 4 years. In this
Okay.
man's Navy, you're given a choice of 3 different postings a year. It's up to you to decide what kind of career you want to have, so choose wisely.
Okay.
Just approach your shuttle
Shut
bay to
up.
receive a briefing on a posting. If you think that posting is right for you,
Shut
head
up.
to that bay to accept the assignment.
Shut up. He's really annoying. He's talking so much. I'm trying to play this fucking game, so stop talking. Okay, let's go in here. Okay.
The UNM Lucille is looking for an engineer's mate to help maintain the ship's core energy.
Okay. And now we're going into space again. Continue. Let's go in here. Let's go in here.
The UNN Pierce is ferrying liberated political prisoners back home from their detention near...
Okay, we're going to space again. Okay. Bye, Mr. Ship. Okay, let's continue. Right now I'm just taking random ones. I don't even care what I'm doing.
The Navy strongly encourages every sailor to undertake some amount of zero-G training.
Okay. That was it. That was the 4 years. Okay. What? What's going on? Soldier, our application to join the crew of the... Huh. Okay. Okay.
Shuttle A-138, you have clearance for landing on the Von Braun in Shuttle Bay 2. Welcome aboard, soldier.
Thanks. 5 months later. On Von Braun. Okay. What? What was that? No. That's not cool, bruh. It's not cool. What was that sound? No, she's gonna get killed. No. Holy shit.
Memory strings.
Okay, that's me, I guess.
Memory. Restoring memory. Restoring memory.
Okay. Okay.
Steady yourself, soldier. This is Dr. Janice Polito of the computer ops staff of the Von Braun. You're safe for the time being.
Good.
You're recovering from the effects of surgery and will be unable to remember any of the events of the last few weeks. You're on board the starship Von Braun and something's gone very, very wrong.
Oh,
Some
shit.
kind of force has hijacked this ship. That's why you volunteered to be implanted with some experimental cybernetic implants. Rely on your cyber interface. It just might save your life. You must find an elevator and come up to Deck 4 to meet me.
Okay.
Deck 4. Can you remember that?
Deck
But
4.
keep your eyes open. They're after us both now.
Well, that's just fucking great, isn't it? Okay.
Watch out. I'm getting strange readings from that radar dish outside the window.
What?
It's become unstable due to... Move!
Shit.
Take cover.
What? Okay, I'm gonna hide here. No.
Critical decompression hazard in the cryo recovery suite. Evacuate immediately.
Not cool. What's this? Huh, I don't care. Hello? Oh, thanks for the wrench. Okay. Okay, good. Let's break the shit. Die. Okay, good. Come on. Ah, the thing's in my way. Huh. Yes. Hello?
The entire sector is depressurizing and the blue vacuum shield won't last
Whoa,
long.
whoa, no.
Get through a secure airlock before you're sucked into space. Move it!
Okay. What am I doing? I don't know, I'm just clicking on random shit. Okay. I'm just gonna take your shit. Thanks. Code. New code.
Great. Gotta change the access codes out of Cryo A again. Like I've got nothing better to do. I think Grassy just likes to make work for me. I'll set the new code to 45100. That should be easy enough to remember.
45100. Okay. 45100. Oh shit. Gotta get through. Okay. Whoa. Holy shit. Okay, let's go.
Warning. Decompression event imminent. Please move immediately to cryo recovery B. Decompression event imminent.
Okay. Power cell.
Power cell is dead. There should be a recharger nearby. Just
Yeah.
use it and it will recharge all the power-driven devices in your possession. After you've recharged the cell, plug it into the auxiliary power unit. That should open the
wait.
door. Be quick about it. The vacuum seals won't hold up much longer.
Oh. Shit. Insert power cell. Okay. Okay, good.
Good. You've managed to get out before the whole area depressurized. I've just uploaded you some cybernetic modules.
Oh,
You can
thanks.
use them to upgrade your cybernetic rig at the upgrade units in this area. There are 4 types of units in the next room. One for each subsystem of your cybernetic gear. Stats, psi, weapons, and tech.
Whoa.
But use
Shit.
the modules carefully. They're hard to come by.
Yeah. Okay, upgrade. Is that it? Was that it? I'm stupid. Okay, I think that was it. I don't even know how to use this shit. Oh wait, yeah. I think I did it right. Did I? I don't even know. And to be honest, right now, I don't really care. Right now, I just want to survive. And... Okay. Okay, we got some health. Oh, some healing. That's good. That's pretty neat. Okay. And let's go through here. Oh. I don't think that's gonna work. Okay. Okay. Where am I supposed to go? What's in here? Nanites. We got some nanites. Okay. Okay, let's go up here. And we're gonna continue on in the next episode. But yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye.